Hello everybody, it's your natural fitness specialist, Kelly Brown, and today I'm here to show you how to do a squat jump. Now the benefits of squat jumps are to work your quadriceps, but really it's going to be a fast twitch muscle exercise. And so a lot of times when we're working our quads and we're working different things, we're only working the muscle, but not how the muscle functions. And so when you do a squat jump, you're actually putting the quadriceps to work as if you would be doing it in an outside mobile motion. So like if you was walking or squatting or doing something like that outside, we practice for that inside of the gym, okay? So now I'm gonna show you how to do a squat jump. You'll get in the quarter position of the squat, go as low as you can. Here, feet shoulder width apart, your feet pretty wide apart, and all you're gonna do is swing your arms down and explode up, okay? Land back down in the same spot, squat down. That's it, squat down. And you'll just do those rapid fire. So if you're doing a workout and it says do 15 sets of squat jumps, you'll do. And that, my friends, is how you do a squat jump. If you like this video, share it with somebody. If you like the outfits, go to mechano88.com and get yours. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.